This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barry Murac and Christopher DeVall. Renovated 3-bedroom and 2-bath villa in desirable Key North. Home boasts an bright and open floor plan, vaulted ceilings throughout, crisp white kitchen with shaker cabinets, granite countertops and stainless appliances. Both baths are gleaming and renovated as well. Intricate tile floors in living, dining and kitchen. Bedrooms feature plush new carpet. Bedrooms in rear open to expansive screened private patio. Community pool is just steps away. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Murac and Christopher DeVall at 954-296-7700.